Hey everybody, we are now officially halfway through January of the new year. So what does that mean? That means either you've already achieved your 2026 goals or your executive team has come down and changed your 2026 goals because why not, right? My pro tip, probably the biggest takeaway you'll get from the video is always set your current year goals to complete your last year goals because you should be halfway there, right? Based on change of priority for your organization. And if your priorities have changed or have been set, they're probably related to AI, right? So what I hope to achieve here in this video is a quick understanding of how CI Digital approaches AI. And if you want real business impact, right, not hype, what you need is a framework. You need a framework that's going to give you repeatable results, realized results that humans actually feel in your organization. The framework we use is called Clarity, right? Aptly named because we hope it brings clarity to how you approach AI, right? The first aspect of clarity is capacity, right? If BAU work is getting done much faster, almost automated, the team has greater capacity. This is probably the first thing organizations realize when they add AI to their workflows, right? The teams have greater capacity. Following capacity, you get leverage, right? Now that I'm doing work faster or my BAU work is getting done almost automated, I have greater leverage. I'm taking the things that I do well, when maybe that's analyze things, maybe that's understanding stakeholders, whatever that could be, and now I'm have greater leverage to do that work. Now when we put capacity and leverage together, we get agility. So agility is not capacity, right? Often confused with speed, right? Because my speed of BAU is faster, but it's different. Agility is how quickly can I react to market changes or customer needs because I'm using AI. Not am I doing more, am I doing my tasks more? It's there's a fire drill. How quickly can I react to that fire drill now that I have better capacity? Now that I have capacity, leverage, and agility, can I replicate it, right? This is the real test when it comes to actually putting AI into your BPO, right? Can I reproduce the capacity, the leverage, and agility I've seen in one spot in different areas of my workflow, right? And how do you actually know if it's doing better? Insights, right? So everything here is building off each other. So if you have greater insight into how your workflow behaves and what's going on, you'll be able to react better to the outcomes. Now that you have better insight, the question is trajectory. What does your roadmap look like? How are you advancing your capabilities across the organization to continue to be better, right? What new capabilities are you uncovering because you're actually realizing so much value? And then finally, yield. What is the value you're realizing? At the end of the day, are you producing more return, right? You're producing more content or you're onboarding customers or patients faster. All of these things should yield better return. So we like to follow this framework called Clarity whenever we're engaging in any type of AI implementation for BPO. So I hope it helps you as you bring AI into your organizations as well.